Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make chole dosa. We all have, dosa with potato sabzi in it, our regular masala dosa. But today I've just given it a twist and have tried the chole with the dosa. And let me tell you, it tastes even better. Hope you like the recipe. Let's look at the ingredients. 1 medium onion chopped. I have used here store-bought can of chickpeas. You can do the traditional method too, so you can soak them overnight and cook them for 1 whistle and you'll have those. 1 green chili, some curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of store-bought curry powder, and salt to taste. Put the flame to high and I'm going to use pressure cooker to cook this. Add about 5 to 6 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onions. Saute them well, let them fry for a minute or so. Now add the ginger garlic paste and the green chilies. Saute all these together for a minute or so. You will feel the aroma of the ginger and garlic as it fries in the oil. Now add some salt and again give it a good mix. Add the spices, turmeric, store-bought curry powder, red chili powder, and mix everything well. Scrape it from the bottom since ginger and garlic kind of sticks to a steel pot, so take your time and mix well. Once the onions and spices have sauteed well, we'll add the chickpeas. I have already taken out the water from them, so this is how they look. Let's go ahead and add them. Add a bit of water and give it a good mix. Now add all the remaining salt. Remember that we had already added some salt on the onions, so accordingly add additional salt. Mix well. Now add a little bit of water since we have to pressure cook it, and remember that these are pre-cooked garbanzo beans, so you don't need to cook them for a long time. I'm going to cook them just for 1 whistle. Once you put the lid on, turn the flame to medium-low and cook it only for 1 whistle. Let it cool down. After cooling, let's check the pressure and open it gently. The chickpeas are ready. You notice that there is not too much water, so they are, good consistency. We don't need to reduce them or anything. So let's go ahead and see what we need to make this dosa. Just add the curry leaves just like that. Break them and add them to the chickpeas. For chole dosa, of course, we need the dosa batter. I have used some onions, carrots and beets. You can also add some additional vegetables if you like. Some mozzarella cheese since kids love them a lot and so do adults. Some butter, and we have our cooked chickpeas. Always use a non-stick pan to make a dosa because it's easier to take it out and it doesn't stick. So I'm using a non-stick pan. I added a teaspoon of oil and I'm sprinkling some water over it just to make sure that the pan is hot enough. Once it's hot enough, add the dosa batter on the pan and spread it like this in circular motion to make a dosa. Once you're happy with the thickness and size of the dosa, you can stop. Once the bubbles pop up, add the cooked chickpeas on the dosa. less or more, add how much you want to add. So I'm just going to add a little more. Now add the vegetables, carrots, onions and beets. So colorful and nice. I'm also going to add some chaat masala to give that extra flavor and some butter. So good. It's one of those comfort foods. Here I'm using a pav bhaji beater and just mixing it all together, just like how you've seen on the roadside dosa maker. So you can try same. Now cover it and let it cook for a minute or so. And I have reduced the flame to low. After 1 minute, let's open and check. Now our chole dosa is ready. Start scraping from the sides, just like that, and fold it like that. Just give it a press and it's ready. Now if you want, you can cut it like this or just serve it full, but it's just easier, so I have cut it into 3 pieces and I'm gonna serve it now. The chole dosa is now ready. Enjoy it with some chutney and sambar. Here I'm going to continue doing some more. Mix and match what you like. So I have spread the dosa. Now I'll add the cooked chickpeas, vegetables, the carrots, onions and beets. But this time I'm just adding cheese instead of butter. So mix and match what you like. Some chaat masala. Cover it and cook it for another minute. You see that how the cheese melts on the dosa. So yummy. Open and check. The cheese chole dosa is now ready. If you liked today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.